Phonetic similarities. Both Japanese and many African languages share phonetic sounds that can make names appear similar. For example, consonant-vowel combinations and syllable structures in both languages might align in ways that create similar-sounding names. Syllabic structure. Japanese names often follow a syllabic pattern, for example, consonant-vowel pairs that can be found in several African languages. This common syllabic structure might contribute to the similarity in the sound of names. Common roots in human experience. Certain names may reflect universal human experiences or meanings, such as names related to nature, virtues, or familial relationships, leading to similarities across diverse cultures. Cultural exchanges. Historical trade routes and cultural exchanges between regions may have influenced naming conventions. Though less documented, indirect cultural contacts might have introduced or shared naming patterns. Historical migrations. Ancient migrations and interactions among different cultures could have led to the diffusion of names or naming conventions, resulting in similarities in names between distant regions. Indigenous linguistic elements. Many African and Japanese languages use indigenous words that might overlap in meaning or form. The overlap in linguistic roots could lead to similar-sounding names. Symbolic meanings. Both cultures often use names that symbolize particular qualities or aspects of life. Similar symbolic meanings might produce names that sound alike, but are derived independently. Coincidental similarities. Some similarities in names may be purely coincidental. The convergence of sounds and meanings in unrelated languages can result in similar names without historical connection. Naming traditions. Naming conventions, such as the use of specific syllables or name components, can lead to similarities. For example, names that emphasize family lineage or personal traits might follow similar patterns. Cultural symbolism. Names in both cultures may represent similar cultural symbols or values. This shared symbolism might lead to names that sound similar, but carry different cultural connotations. Linguistic evolution. Languages evolve over time, and phonetic shifts or borrowing from other languages can result in names that sound alike. This process of linguistic evolution can contribute to similar-sounding names. Cross-cultural influence. Although there is limited evidence of direct influence, the broad patterns of human interaction and migration might have led to cross-cultural similarities in names and linguistic patterns. These points illustrate that while similarities in Japanese and African names can be fascinating, they often result from a combination of phonetic, linguistic, and cultural factors. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one. Until next time, keep exploring. Why are Japanese names similar to African names?